Okay, this is Owen's first feeding. He's looking at the cow, and I'm gonna try to feed him. Yeah. We have some yummy rice cereal. See, right there. Okay, buddy, ready? Ready, buddy? Ready. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? Are you eating it? No. Silly baby. Are you eating it? No. Yummy. Do you like it? Do you think it's weird? Here's another bite. Do you like it? Do you like the rice cereal? Yeah? Yummy. Ooh, you want some more? You want some more? What's that like? What's that like? Yeah. Want some more? Oh no! Oh my goodness, it's all over the place. You think it's funny, huh? What do you think? What do you think? Do you like it? Are you swallowing it or just spitting it all out? I think you're swallowing it. Oh, good. Is that yummy? Yummy. Okay, here's some more. What do you think? Oh no! Droopy baby. Let's make sure you're over here. Let's make sure you're in the middle. Okay, you want some more? Oh, well, okay. Come here, buddy. You're a mess. That's okay. We're going to give you a bath after this. No, don't give him an animal. It's going to get all over. All right. Ready? Here you go. Whoa, smiley baby. Whoa. Want some more? Want some more? There you go. Can you see? Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You're gonna be a good eater, aren't ya? You're gonna be a great eater. You're like slurping it down. Slurpy, slurpy. Slurpiness. Ooh, you're excited. You're so excited. Okay, okay, no, this way, this way, this way, this way. Oh, well, that was a big old mess. You're eating. You're eating it. There you go. Ooh, yummy, yummy. He like bubbles it out. But you like it, don't ya? It's like half in, half out. That's kind of what it is like, huh? Half in, half out of this. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my, that was a messy. This is a messy, messy, messy thing. Mmm, yummy. So yummy, Betty. So yummy. Ready? Keep going. Yeah, you like it. You're so messy, it's funny. I like it. Uh, uh, uh. Boom. Yay! Nice job. We still have some more. You still want any more? Do you want some more? Ooh. Still in here. Okay, everybody. He clearly likes to eat. I think I'm going to stop taping now, though, maybe. Get the hang of it. Ooh, you like it. Yeah, you clearly do. Okay. Ooh, you can see it coming. That went literally.